Hello students, welcome to our video lecture in the subject of Organization of Commerce and Management for 11th standard. Through last video lecture we started our second chapter, Trade, and through them we learned the types of internal trade as wholesale trade and retail trade and different services provided by them. Students, in our day-to-day life, we need various types of goods to consume. As soon as day rises, we go to dairy for purchasing milk. Then we require vegetables, fruits, grocery items, stationery material, medicines, clothes, furniture, vehicles, etc. For purchasing these various products, we reach to market at different shops. Some products we purchase from street traders. For some purchases, we reach to that specified shop, sometimes to mall. That means for buying products we need various types of shops, means retailers. And so, today through this video lecture, we are going to learn different types of retailers. Students, see, this chart shows classification of retailers. Retailers are firstly classified as itinerant retailers and fixed shop retailers. According to size of business, fixed shop retailers are grouped as small scale fixed retailers and large scale fixed retailers. Small scale retailers are general stores, second-hand goods shop, authorized dealers, and specialty shops. And in case of large-scale fixed retailers, they are classified as departmental stores, supermarket shops, chain stores, one-price shops, and malls. And types of itinerant retailers are hawkers, peddlers, street traders, cheap jacks, and market traders. Let us start with itinerant retailers. Itinerant retailers means those retailers who move from one place to another place for their business. They do not have fixed place for their business. See students, every day various sellers come to our area for selling various goods like vegetables, fruits, crockery items, and other food items. There are various types of itinerant retailers. Let us discuss these types one by one. Number 1. Hawkers are one type of itinerant retailers who move from one place to another place for selling their goods. They carry goods mostly in handcart, means hatgadi, and shouting loudly like bhaji wala bhaji, jhadu wala jhadu, etc. And also the prices of goods they are selling. Hawkers deals in seasonal vegetables, fruits, some other items like household, cheap articles, bangles, brooms, etc. Number 2. Peddlers. Peddlers are those types of itinerant retailers who carries goods on their head in basket or containers. They also move from one place to another for selling their goods like hawkers. Every day they choose a new area for their sale. Generally, vegetables, fruits are the goods they deal in. Every day by selling goods, whatever they earn, through that amount on the next day they purchases goods from the market and sell them in different areas. Number 3. Street traders. Students, when you come to college, you find on footpaths or the roadsides, various sellers are selling goods through their temporary stalls. In the morning, they make setup of their stall, and in the evening, they wind it up. And on the next day, they repeat the same process. These traders are called as street traders. Generally, these traders are situated at crowded places like marketplace, near bus stand, railway stations, near school or colleges. They sell items like handbags, toys, shoes, photo frames, ready-made garments, etc. and prices of these goods are reasonable. Number 4. Cheap jacks. These itinerant retailers have independent shops having temporary setup like tapri. All of you know the tapri type shop. Yes, na? Okay. These retailers have fixed shop for particular period. According to response by customers, they keep changing place of their business. They deal in variety of goods like crockery, cutlery, decoration articles, and nowadays masks. The quality of goods is inferior and prices are low. Next, number 5, market traders. In villages or towns, one day of a week is fixed for a market day. On that specific day, various sellers come to that marketplace and make temporary setup of their stall and sell their goods. Various goods like vegetable, fruits, household articles, spices, grocery items, sweets, utensils, footwear, ready-made clothes, etc. are sold by various sellers in this market. These market traders move from one village to another village on their market day. It is also called as weekly market. Students, these are the different types of itinerant retailers. Now, we discuss different small scale fixed shop retailers. Firstly, the small scale fixed retailers means the retailers, those who have fixed place for their business. According to nature of their business, that is small scale, these retailers are called as small scale fixed retailers. Now, let us discuss these types of small scale fixed retailers one by one. Number 1. General stores. These are the stores where we go for many times. These retailers sell goods which are required by people for their day-to-day needs like food grains, stationery, medicines, oils, toffees, biscuits, plastic goods, toys, umbrellas, etc. Generally, these shops are situated near residential areas of the city or town. Number 2. Second-hand goods shop. As name indicates, these retailers deal in used goods, means they purchase used goods from the people and after necessary repairing, sells these goods to the needy customers. These retailers deal in books, furniture, TV sets, clothes, vehicles, etc. Generally, consumers from weak financial background purchases these goods from them. As these goods are used, they lack in quality, durability and guarantee. Number 3. Authorized dealers. Mostly in case of home appliances like TV set, refrigerator, ACs, washing machines, music systems, for selling them, the manufacturer appoints their specific dealers. They are called as authorized dealers. These authorized dealers deal only in that specific manufacturing company's products who appoints them as a dealer. They earns profit as well as gets commission and other bonuses for maximum sale. Number 4. Specialty shops. These retailers deal in particular line of goods. They keep a wide variety of items of same line of the product. For example, a bookshop may keep only different types of books. A sports material shop may sell only required sports material. In case of ladies ready-made cloth shop, only ladies ready-made clothes are to be sold, etc. They keep wide range of goods at various prices. Students, these are the different types of small-scale fixed shop retailers. Through them, we make shopping of various types of goods which are required in our day-to-day life. Hope you understood it well. Stay home and study from home safely. Thank you.